In this video, you will learn about what documents you need to provide after being admitted to the college and prior to meeting with an academic advisor. If this is your first time taking college courses, including previously dual-enrolled students, you will be required to meet with an academic advisor before registering for courses. If you have completed college credit at another institution, you are not required to meet with an academic advisor, but it is highly recommended, especially for those who are looking to complete one of our limited, restricted programs. Please refer to the following link, schoolcraft.edu/newly admitted to get detailed information on your next steps to getting registered for courses. This includes the required documentation you will need to provide. Here you will see a number of options. Choose the option that best describes your educational background. If you have not completed any college credit, including previously dual-enrolled students, and have completed your high school education within the past 10 years, you will provide your high school transcript or college test scores, ACT or SAT. If you have not completed any college credit and completed your high school education over 10 years ago and/or received a GED, regardless of year, then you will take our free placement test. If you have completed college credit at another United States institution, you will provide that official college transcript. If you have completed your high school education in another country, you will take our free placement test. If you have completed your high school and college education in another country, you have the choice to provide an evaluation of your college transcript by an approved service or take our free placement test. High school transcripts can be typically requested through parchment.com. College transcripts can be requested typically through getmytranscript.com or parchment.com. To schedule a free placement test, go to schoolcraft.edu/testing. Once documentation has been received, you are ready to reach out to academic advising at 734-462-4429 to schedule an appointment. For more advising information, you can go to schoolcraft.edu/advising. If you have any questions along the way, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Admissions and Welcome Center at Schoolcraft College. We are happy to assist. Contact our office at admissions at schoolcraft.edu or 734-462-4683. Welcome to Schoolcraft College.